What's up, y'all? It's day 2 of my Vlogmas, and yes, I do have the same thing on that I ended the last video on. That's because it's the same day. Okay, I forgot to end it last night because I got a little lit. It's okay, mom can do that. But yeah, so well, I didn't really get lit. I just got home really late and was super tired. I was not gonna be editing no video at no 3 o'clock in the morning. No,
Mommy,
not happening.
Mommy, guess what, Mommy?
No.
Okay, guys. So last night, my sister was crying, but because she didn't want Mommy to go home. But after all, this little Bessie, we stayed up since 12 o'clock in the morning. And plus,
Stop dropping on the couch.
we stayed up until 1 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, guys, had to cry. And guess what? We stayed up until 1 o'clock in the morning. And you guys all.
Okay, so today I'm going to take down Kenny's hair, wash it, and probably straighten it, so y'all pray for me. But she's been doing better with her hair. She hasn't been crying like that. Kenzie, you haven't been crying like that when I do your hair, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, because she's a big girl.
Mommy, guys, guess what? So make sure you go check out my channel and subscribe to my mom's channel and my channel. And make sure you go check out that. I know. And click that bell button. And soon me and Kelsey will be making role plays of Roblox. So go check that out when I'm gonna post them.
Okay.
And some.
Oh, my back. Okay, so I dressed. Lucy wanted to wear them shoes. I don't know why. I do not know why she wanted to wear this. No. So yeah, we're about to head there now. And I literally just have on like, so yeah, nothing crazy.
She's my best friend.
I'm dead. Okay, we are back at the house. We were only gone for like 2 hours. We didn't really do nothing, but Kinsley's tummy is hurting, so she's gonna.
It's not just my tummy.
Okay, she's gonna lay down. How you gonna go to Auntie Indy's house and you're not feeling well?
That's tomorrow.
Oh, you think you're gonna feel better by tomorrow? So, yeah, let me see. Oh. But yeah, so I think I'm just about to, I think that I am about to probably take a shower, maybe wash my hair. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going somewhere tonight or not. That'll determine whether or not I wash my hair. So yeah, we'll just see. And then I'm about to just eat me some food, smoke some hookah, and watch TV until it's time to like get ready. So yeah, hope y'all tuned into the last Vlogmas, which was yesterday's vlog. So yeah. Don't touch it. Stop. What?
Sugar low.
Have I seen what?
Sugar low.
Your what, baby?
I said never mind. I was looking for Teddy. And lick my booty, lick my. Look at me and look at me. Sit aloud, look at me, look at me. Sit aloud. What do you ask for? Mommy, Kelsey, let me get this.
No, that's for Kelsey.
Oh, you can have it. You heard him, Mom?
What?
He said I could have it.
Girl, okay. So right now, probably.
And stick it right there. Finish that.
This is my favorite hookah flavor, Mighty Freeze, period. Excuse me. Okay, you guys sit down, please, okay? So what I do is I take my shisha and I like to dry it off with a paper towel. And then to get all that excess oil off, because she should be oily, okay? It'd be oily. Look at all that oil. That's ridiculous. And just sprinkle it inside my little hookah. So it looks like this in this one, this specific hookah. And the other one, it has like different holes on the bottom, but this one looks like that. So I just literally almost stuff it to capacity. So usually I have the I guess cut foil pieces for the hookah like that they buy at they sell at the smoke shop, but I don't have it with me. Well, it's downstairs, I left it in the car. So I gotta poke the holes in here manually, but you wanna make sure that your foil is super tight. I'm only doing this because y'all always ask me in my DMs like, sis, you need to tell us how you make your hookah, so I'm telling you. So, and then I just make holes in there, not extremely big holes, but little holes all over the place so the shisha can breathe. So she kind of look like this. Okay, so next I already filled my bowl up to about right here, and I put ice in it, but the ice kind of melted. Dang, I wish I had like a stand to put my camera on, but okay. Next I'm gonna connect this piece, and this is my small hookah. We have like a huge hookah here as well, but I'm gonna connect this piece and just twist it on. Just tightened up. There. And then I'm going to set this piece on right there. Then I'm going to connect my hose inside the part where it goes. Okie-dokie. Clean up my mess. Okay, so my coal. Yeah, I gotta heat up a little more. I had got distracted and I forgot all about my coal, so now it's a little dusty. But we're gonna fix it up. We're gonna light it up and we're gonna fix it up. I started talking on the phone and like completely forgot about it, so I wonder, should I just make new coal? I'm gonna make new coal and I'm gonna pop back on here. Okay, so yesterday, earlier in the day, I went to go eat at this amazing restaurant. Y'all, if y'all live in Atlanta and have not been, or if you're not from Atlanta and you come here all the time, you need to go to Rock South. But anyways, I was saying all that to say, like, thank God I had leftovers, because it was only enough chicken and rice for the girls. My boyfriend demolished the food. He must have had like 3-4 pieces to himself. So I'm about to eat that for my leftovers, because I don't know what time we're going out tonight, and I need to eat you know, before we go. So I mean, I'm making me some new coal, and I'm about to warm up my food from Rock South. Let me just give y'all a little sneak peek. Okay, man, see that the yams, the mac and cheese, the collard greens, and I don't know whatever sauce, the hot sauce, honey sriracha sauce they be putting on this fried chicken, baby. But it's bussin'. Guys, I got my little glass of ginger ale. When I tell y'all, oh, I'm about to tear it up. I'm about to tear you up. You just don't know. But I'm really upset because I didn't even get to eat any of the food that I cooked. Like, my best friend came. You know, the girls was eating it last night. My best friend came. She had a plate. My boyfriend killed it while I left. So I was like, cool, yeah. I'm gonna eat me some today. It's 2 pieces of chicken left and rice. No broccoli. So it's only enough for the girls. But I ate a little bit of Kelsey's. Let me eat this again. She was like, why you eat my food? But yeah. We ain't doing nothing, child. This is typically how our nights go. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. I don't care. Because I just, y'all, I gained so much weight, and wearing my hair in that slick back bun that I did last night, I just was not comfortable. My chin looked all big, and I think I'm gonna get this lipo out. Because I'm not mad at my weight, and you know, I just need to tone it. Maybe waist train so my waist could be a little smaller, but I'm gonna see what I can do about this, because this ain't cute, and it's really hereditary. Like, it don't matter how much weight I lose, it never truly leaves, and I want that chiseled chin look. I'm so self-conscious about it, but yeah. So I'm just rambling at this point. I'm gonna call y'all back when I get settled into my eating areas. Let me show y'all what the girls are doing. What are you doing?
Just my baby here.
Brush your baby's hair?
And I love her hair at the door here together.
Okay, let's go see what your sister's doing. Wow, the room's pretty messy. Oh, that's indie stuff. Drawers open. Toys and pillows on the floor.
I took that off the bed so I can get in the bed.
A life jacket, dolls.
That's not me, that was Kelsey.
Yeah.
All the dolls and toys are Kelsey's.
Oh, your desk is messy.
Huh?
So, let me push these in because this is gonna make my nerves bad. I just want to show y'all my little setup. Ooh, baby, because once I finish this plate, got my little ranch, my little hot sauce, ginger ale, my hookah, watching Good Practice, you know, I have my little vibes going on. So, as for my friends, if you don't call me, I won't call you. Feeling real comfortable, girl, real comfortable. It's feeling real southern, real comfortable right now. But we gonna see what this night gonna turn into. Let me tell y'all something. Like, in the beginning of this Vlogmas, it's gonna seem like I just turn up so much, but the moment my friends go home tomorrow or Monday, I don't know when I'm gonna record for y'all, because I don't do nothing. I don't go out. I don't do nothing. So I don't know. I just don't know, you know? I don't know when I'm gonna record because I don't have life. I literally work at home. Look at Kinsley calling me from the other room. Yes.
Can you give me something to drink, please?
Okay. Okay, goodbye. Bye-bye. Yes, let me get this something to drink so I can chill out. So yeah, my little setup, and so I wanted to tell y'all that I have the girls go in their room when I smoke hookah, cause it's like, nah, but for the most part I like for them to stay in their room while I smoke hookah.
What?
Uh-oh.
What was it that you? What was the smart remarks that you were saying? Why don't you say it for YouTube? So I'm going to attempt to put on a wig tonight. I don't feel okay going out with a bun because I feel like I'm overweight, so I want to run across the street. I don't have any more got sleeves so I can put down my wig, so I'm gonna do that. I don't even think I'm gonna braid my hair under. That's so ghetto, right? But it doesn't matter. So yeah, let's go to Target. Okay, y'all, so I attempted to put a wig on. It's terrible, but I'm about to hot comb this. I'm gonna be in the dark, so ain't nobody about to be in my hairline like that. But yeah, I'm gonna hot comb it down. I'm gonna hot comb it down. This is terrible. No, sis, thank you, but it's.
I will tell you this terrible. I've seen some terrible lace fronts.
Oh, that's bad. Whatever, we'll make it work. It's gonna be dark, so.
Sexy little bitch, sexy little hoe. I love the way you walk, love the way you talk. Let a young nigga come play your these show.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. Ding, 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 I'm on. It's a lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.